Face tattoos aren't rare anymore, they're statements. Art identity story, all front and center. What is a face tattoo? Any ink on the face? Tiny dots. Words, full art. Historically, it meant tribe, strength, spirit. Today, it's creativity, courage, individuality. Why 2025 loves them? Celebrity influence, social media, redefining beauty, authentic over perfect. And workplaces? Some are chill, some aren't. Design ideas trending now. Tiny minimalist icons. Words, initials. Floral and nature. Cultural, tribal, done respectfully. Spiritual symbols, moons, suns, angel numbers, third eyes. Meaning? Freedom transformation, identity memory. Pain check? Yes. Most, forehead lips, eyelids, temples, moderate, cheeks, jawline, near ears. A skilled artist helps. Cost in the US. Tiny, $50 to $150 lettering, $150 to $400 detailed. Custom, $500, $1,000 and plus. Don't bargain with your face. Book a licensed pro who does facial fine line work. Aftercare that works. Clean with mild soap. Moisturize with tattoo-safe ointment. No makeup, 7 to 10 days. Avoid sun. Don't pick heal time, about 2 to 3 weeks. Longevity, they fade. SPF 50 plus. Daily gentle skincare touch-ups every 1 to 2 years. Removal. Laser is possible, slow and pricey. Multiple sessions, $200, $500 each. Discomfort guaranteed. Career reality. Creative fields may love it. Some corporate roles won't. If you're early career, consider small or concealable. Before you commit, ask, does it mean something to me? Am I ready for permanent visibility? Could it affect opportunities? If yes, plan your design. Research the artist. Commit to aftercare. Your face is your storybook. Choose what you want the world to read.